For many homeowners, the idea of renovating can feel exciting one minute and completely overwhelming the next. Andrea Jeffery, CEO and principal designer of JDS Design Build, joins us to talk about the renovation trends shaping Bay Area homes right now and what projects are truly worth the investment and how homeowners can avoid some of the biggest remodeling pitfalls. Andrea, thanks for being here at Live in the Bay.
Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, so tell me about JDS Design and what you do overall.
Sure. So JDS Design Build, we started as an interior design firm, and we wanted to bring an amazing client experience to our clients from start to finish of construction. So we bring that to our clients. We're client-centric, we're client-focused, so everything that we're designing, our own team is building. So our clients have one point of contact throughout the entire project, and we want them to have this wonderful experience because it should be fun.
Yeah.
I mean, these clients are investing a ton of money into what should be their forever home. So we want them to have a really great experience with our team and through the process.
Yes, and when you guys are the one central contact for the whole experience, how much of a difference does that make?
What we've noticed a tremendous just upturn in client satisfaction. So our clients are smiling, they're happy when we walk through and we do our walks with them. We're going through design, and it should be enlightening, it should be fun, and it should be something that the clients are going to remember in a positive way, and we've seen really great feedback from that.
Yeah, and right now more homeowners are choosing to redesign instead of move. Why is that happening?
Well, I'm sure you've seen some of the home prices in the Bay Area, and that is pretty much, I mean, that is really what it's about. So if you've bought a home and you have a 3% interest rate and you're looking to buy and move up, you know, it's the cost to renovate far exceeds the cost that it's going to take to get a new interest rate. So our clients are moving into what they want to be their forever home in their current space. So they want it to feel themselves. They want it to feel like they belong in their own home. And when they have to go into a higher interest rate to get what they want, they're still going to buy, you know, close to $1 million home and then still have to renovate for $600,000.
Yeah.
So why not put that into their existing space?
Yes. I want to talk about some of the mistakes that homeowners are making before starting a remodel. What do we need to know?
So something that clients really don't understand is who to hire first. And that's really the biggest mistake that we see clients making. So the traditional route is hire an architect and then get your plans done and go to contractors and bid your project. The unfortunate part about that process is you design your dream home and then you go get bids and it's much higher than what you budgeted. So when you start a project, you really should find your design team, you should find an architect, you should bring that team together and bring the builder in from day one so you have a great team around you to help your project succeed and give you that great experience.
Yeah, okay, great. And then when it comes to trends right now, what are we seeing across the Bay Area?
So kitchens are still, you know, the hot commodity for renovating, and you get a lot of return on investment, both in lifestyle and if you wanted to sell the home later. And the kitchen is the heart of the home. I mean, let's be honest. You know, anytime you have people over, you're going to gravitate around where you centralize that food creation.
Yeah.
So primary suites are another thing that we're seeing. So clients really want that spa feel, so they want to feel like they're on a getaway while they're in their primaries. And with the California weather that we get, you know, we get such great weather here. So indoor-outdoor living is really big. We're seeing a lot of large accordion doors, folding doors, pocket windows, really bringing that outside in.
Yeah, okay. When clients are reaching out to you, you know, how can they connect and what does that first meeting look like with them?
Sure. So when they call, they talk to a very friendly face. Her name is Nicole. She's lovely. And it's going to start with a 30-minute call with me. It's completely free. I want people to just have a really great conversation with me, and I want to know what their goal is, their outcome is for their project. So we have a 30-minute call. It's face-to-face on Zoom, and we talk through their goals. what they want this project to be for them and what experience they want when they work with a team like ours.
Yeah, Andrea, thank you so much. You know, you have some incredible designs. We were showing video of that throughout this segment, and I know that one of your main priorities is putting the customer first and making sure that they are having a great time throughout the whole process. And so I just want to thank you so much for joining us and sharing all about what you do. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, of course. If you want to learn more about JDS Design Build, go to our website, liveinthebay.tv. Their website also is jdsdesign.build.